Today I'm going to make an olive cheese dip, and you can eat it hot or cold. If you like olives and you like cheese, you're going to love this. All it takes is garlic, mayonnaise, green olives, cream cheese, shredded Monterey Jack cheese, black olives, and crushed red peppers. Check it out. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. I'm going to measure out 1 cup of salad olives, but first I'm going to get rid of the juice. I don't think you can have too many olives. Put them on my chopping board here. And then I'm going to just chop them up, not too fine. Put those in my bowl. Put my juice back in here. Same thing with black olives. Chop them up into the bowl. To my olives, I'm going to add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that is at room temperature. 1/4 cup of mayo, 2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack. This is an 8-ounce package and it's just slightly over 2 cups. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of minced garlic and then about a 1/2 tablespoon red peppers. Mix it up. Of course, you got to sample it. Really good, cold, but better heated up. So I'm going to put a little bit in a dish. And I'm going to microwave it. Yeah, I microwaved this for about 30 seconds, stirred it up, and did it for about another 20. And you can see how nice and stringy that is. And just happened to have some chips left over from a Mexican restaurant we went to. They let us take it home with us. Try it out here. Oh, good. You know what? This stuff is good. Just wrapped up in lettuce, like romaine. This would be good on top of a hamburger. Pretty much anything. It's good. The recipe's in the description below. You can also put it in the skillet and bake it if you want to do it for a whole party, and then you can serve it in the skillet. Dave's going to be home a little bit. I'm going to see what he thinks. Alright, Dave, let's see what you think.
Let's try it.
It's cheesy.
Oh my. This is a dip I gotta get to know. Oh, that's good.
You had no idea I was going to make this.
Oh man. That's a dip worth stealing. That's a good dip, man. It's good on everything. Be good on anything. Maybe even a finger.
What you doing now, Dave?
I'm making an omelet in a microwave.
Have you done that before?
Oh, this is a newbie. I'm just figuring you crack an egg.
Oh, you sprayed your plate, paper
Sprayed my
plate?
Paper plate with Pam.
You didn't want to mix it in the bowl first, huh?
I'll mix it on the plate.
What are you going to put in it?
I'm just going to put the olive cheese spread on it.
Oh! That's all we got left.
Yeah, you've been busy.
I know you're an olive freak.
A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper.
That's the only thing you're going to put in it is the olive dip?
Well, this is just a dry run. I mean, it's a first timer. I don't know how it's going to work out.
No ham or bacon or sausage or anything else?
No, we're going straight out.
Okay.
Let's go a minute.
Another 30?
Oh yeah, easy.
So this will end up being your 2-minute omelet? Well, this is cold, or you just figured let the heat from the eggs warm it up?
That's what I'm dreaming.
Oh, you're taking an awful lot there. Got a little thin there, huh?
A little thin in
That's
the middle.
okay. That'll work out. Just do it a half flip instead of a roll up.
Yeah. Yeah, give it another hit.
Get that cheese on the inside melted.
That should be it.
All right.
Look at that. Beautiful omelet. Tastes like an omelet to me.
Like a omelet for you?
It's good. Would you like to try?
Sure. That's really good. Tastes kind of like a Greek omelet.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay, maybe I have to make myself one now. You plate liquor.
Hey, it's great. What can I tell you?
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.